Do you want to know how you can log into your JD Edwards Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your JD Edwards Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the search bar and search for JD Edwards Payroll Login. Then scroll a bit down and click on this link which says JD Edwards. It will lead you to the official login portal of JD Edwards Payroll. Go ahead and write down your user ID. After you write down your user ID, go to the password box and write down your password. As you write your password, make sure that you are writing it correctly. Make sure that your user ID and password are associated with your JD Edwards Payroll account. After you write down your user ID and password, go ahead and click Sign In. This way, you can successfully sign in to your JD Edwards Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you to follow through. So guys, this is how you log into your JD Edwards Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.